In this video, we are going to take a look at a new feature called Axis Control, which is available now in CIMCO Edit 2023. Axis Control will allow you to track the position of each axis during the simulation of your NC program. If an axis limit is breached, you will notice the axis bar highlighting red. Alternatively, you can simply check the simulation report, which reveals all collisions, syntax errors, and travel limits. This feature can be used within both Backplot and the CIMCO Machine Simulation add-on. An added benefit of the Axis Control feature is that by scrolling the mouse wheel, you can zoom in on each axis control bar, which subsequently allows you to make fine adjustments if necessary. Perhaps you would like to check how much clearance is required on a particular collision that has been reported. This gives you that ability. For further information, please contact your local reseller today or visit our website, cimco.com.